Hello lovely people, it's Mika and this year I'm a guest creator for One Book July. Rhomany from Rhomany's Realm started the One Book, One Pen, One Month challenge 11 years ago and was then joined by MissVickybee, Miss Carie Harling, Everyday Awesome TV, and I even think that Meg Journals joined a couple of times during the past 11 years. I will put links for Rhomany, MissVickybee and Miss Harling in the description box below. The theme this year is Mind the Gap, and everyone can have their own interpretation of how we will cross the gap from one thing to another. Everyone basically can join. If you put the hashtag OneBookJuly 2024 somewhere in your header or in the description box, you will be automatically added to the playlist of the One Book July channel. This year there's also a printable available, which is available through the Patreon shop of Rhomany's Realm, which I will also put a link to in a description box. I am so excited! So, what is going to be the plan? This is my folio. I have been using, not exactly this one, another one, for 7 months now? Yes, for 7 months now. And I'm going to show you what's in it, how I have sorted things using my planner, little planner booklet and my journal, and that's where I do everything in. So basically I've been doing one book thing for quite a while actually. I used to have several notebooks, things that I was researching, normal journaling specifically about any issues I was experiencing. But at a certain point, it just became too much because I really wanted to take everything with me, you know, if I had a certain appointment, and it just wasn't possible. So I decided to put everything in just one folio, and that's how I've been doing my stuff for the last 7 months. My plan for this One Book July is to make my own little treasures of hope. The basis from the treasures of hope is from the WRAP, which is the Wellness Recovery Action Plan. It was developed in 1997 by a group of people who were searching for ways to overcome their own mental health issues and move on to fulfilling their life dreams and goals. Right now, it's being used by people in all sorts of circumstances, by healthcare and mental health systems all over the world, to address all kinds of physical, mental health and life issues. The WRAP is a self-designed prevention and wellness process that anyone can use to get well, stay well, and make their life the way they want it to be. In July, I won't be focusing on the full WRAP. I'm going to be focusing more on certain checklists and brainstorm ideas so that I can bridge the gap actually between how I'm feeling now and how I want to feel later on. This folio will serve as the brainstorm central place where I will figure all that stuff out, so that later on I can actually have like a specific book, you know, that it's pretty with nice colors, but it still has the information that I need for when I'm not really feeling very good in my skin or I'm having an off day. I am so excited for this version of Mind the Gap One Book July version, and I can't wait to see what you will be doing as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a few days. Bye!